guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yuri. So today we will be unboxing a package from Amazon. So guys, I have a 2x2 which is a very easy cube, and this tutorial will be also coming on the channel. Now this is a 4x4 which is a little different than a 2x2 and a 3x3, and this will be the first tutorial will be coming on the channel. And this is a 3x3, a normal 3x3 cube, which is a lot easier than a 4x4. It is like a normal Rubik's cube, but has only 4 colors and is made of, and its shape is triangle. So let's unbox this package. We have some extra packaging, and there is the cube box. Let me keep this on the side. So looking at the packing, it is has very good packing. Now let's unbox it. So first of all, we have the cube with the logo of Moyu, and a cube stand, and an accessory box. And on the stand it is written Moyu. So let's take some first turns. This is a good cube and has magnets and is MagLev. Let me show you from the inside. As you can see. And here is the accessory box, which has some pamphlets, tutorials. There's a screwdriver, and these for the adjustment of this cube. You can set this cube for as you like. Let's keep this aside. So let me put this back in. So let's do some solves on this cube. So let me tell you how to put this cube on the stand like this. So as I was telling about this cube, it has a matte finish. As you can see, the bright colors of yellow, orange, blue, red, green and white. It has magnets and it can connect each other. As you can see, it is very fast and very light weighted. As you can just see. Let me compare with the another cube. This is also a pretty good cube, but does not have a matte finish, has a frosted surface, and does not have magnet, and is a slightly bit heavier than this if I compare it. So let me do a solve on this cube. Let's begin. Pretty good. So yeah, both cubes are pretty good, but this one I think is a lot better and has even magnets which attract each other, and this doesn't have magnets and has frosted surface, and this is a matte finish. So guys, let's talk about the corner cutting. Let's see how good corner cutting. A good corner cutting and reverse. Yeah, it has a good corner cutting. Let's talk about this Hennex cube. Yeah, have good corner cutting and reverse. Yeah, but Moyu cube has a lot good corner cutting than this, and has some magnets to attract it, So guys, we will meet you in the next video where I will show you how to solve a 4x4. There are actually two methods to solve a 4x4, and the method which I will be using you will see in the video, by the way, that. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So bye.